Alrighty, sorry about that interruption. Dog wanted to go for a walk. Alright, so I'm not sure why it's not showing up the purple. When I pull up my original one, which is using Excel, the exact same one because I'm on the same computer, it'll be right there. So I'm not sure what it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste the format over. Hopefully that will. So it's saying it says yellow. So I'm just going to go ahead and make it yellow for the purpose of this tutorial. Alright, so we have settlement as yellow, contract month as a dark yellow to break things up. Let's go ahead and make a color for our top balance. Out of all these colors, I think this orange would look pretty cool. So we'll go ahead and make that for that. And again, I'm doing this through, I'm highlighting the cells and then pressing Control-1 on my keyboard. And then we're going to head and make it this orange for the bottom value. Alrighty. Going down, let's go ahead and make the top three. Hold on, I'm missing the second standard deviation. Ah, found it. There we go. Cool. Alright, so let's go ahead make the top two deviations kind of a dark green color. And then the next two underneath kind of a lighter green color. So whenever we're looking, we got that nice variance between the two. We're going to make the negative deviations a reddish color, which apparently this one doesn't have. Alright, screw it. We're just going to head and choose a light color custom here. We're going to head and choose that color. And then we're going to head choose a darker color. Alright, so these aren't final colors. They're not the ones I chose. I don't particularly like them that much. I like the ones I have on my main spreadsheet. However, just for the purpose of the tutorial, that's how you would choose colors. You would either have the cell go into format cells, which is Control-1, or you would come up here to Home, over here to Style, and just select one from here. I would have done that for the red, however, that wasn't a thing. So, not sure what it was, but for rows 13 and 14, I think we used like the 60% green, light green, and for rows 15 and 16, I believe we used the 40% light green. So that's all that is. And as you can see down here, right here where my mouse is, it changes as it goes through the different colors. And then we still need one for no deviation, so we're just going ahead and make that the same color as up top, the settlement value for up top, since they are the same thing. Alright, and that's how I make my spreadsheet. The only thing I didn't discuss was just some indicators I have updating, and that's really just using the RTD formula, and I'm replacing the ticker, which up here would be V2, which equates to ES, with ADD, the tick, the trend, or volume. And then, let's see, I also did not go over the queries I can never say that word, that I have to set this up. But that's just through formula. That's through data, new query, from other source from web. It'll pull that, and then you'll go ahead and just edit it through here. I'll go through that real quick before I end this video and upload it. If there's demand, I'll go through and I'll make a separate video just for how to edit the queries. It's up 8 days old, not a problem because I'm not using this just yet. I'm going to update it around 9 p.m. tonight. Alright, so the source, it's coming from the CME group, and then it's navigation, I have it pulling, it'll be this number, source 0. I believe that's like the first table right now. If you go through Power Query, it'll show you the table, and you can select it from there. And then I changed the type. I got rid of some of the stuff, as you can see here. And then I also went ahead and reordered the things. And then I removed the totals, because that would mess it up, because if a month had, no, if the total would be more than the max open interest. So I just went ahead and removed, and then went ahead and reordered the columns again. What this does is I needed to have open interest on the far left for that VLOOKUP to work. And then I decided putting here, and then I have a VLOOKUP. Well, then I have like two VLOOKUPs. But yeah, so that's that. Again, let me know on the Reddit post if you guys want me to go into in depth on this query. If not, I'll just leave it as it is and answering PMs or whatnot, because I don't know. I'd have to refresh myself on how to do it completely, so I don't look like I don't. But yeah, so that's that. If you guys have any questions, let me know on the Reddit post. I probably won't be checking this YouTube channel, so the Reddit post is the way to go. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Catch you around.